坐。
你可以帮我拍一个新闻吗？
这个是在就是录像吧？
对。你可以说 hello。Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm currently on this road and it's called the PingJiang Road, which is located in the PingJiang historical block in China, in Suzhou. So I'm here today to do some photography. Okay, 帮你们拍个照吗？ So I went there with the intention of just photography, but I was able to try some of the really cool things that PingJiang Road had to offer. Today I'll be shooting with this lens. This is like my Sony a6400 lens. And I'll try to see what kind of photos I can get. So I'll be doing some street photography today. So it has been a while since I've done some street photography. It's been a while since I've come to this particular location. This road isn't as packed as it normally is, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get as many people coming through, but then I'll see which kind of photos I can get. I'm also gonna be trying to make some videos as well, so let's get it. Lots of people come here for different reasons, like to eat, to have coffee or tea. Some of the other reasons why people go there might be to buy some different souvenirs, because this is a very, very popular place and it's known for its culture and history. So if you want to buy some specific things that are specific to Suzhou, you might be able to find them here. But simply what I was doing was just to capture what everyone else was doing. So I had my camera, I had my GoPro, and I was out to do just that. And one thing I noticed was that I was not the only one doing that. I was able to see a few other photographers doing just the same thing.好，我可以帮你们拍个照吗？好啊，我们来拍个照嘞。镜头吧。好的。3、2、1，好。打一个吗？
可以发给我们吗？
我可以再拍一个吗？你在这里对。好的。I was also able to try some of this flower tea, which was pretty good.
有点烫，热的。
哦，热
的，里面是烫的。你是要喝冰的吗？
是啊。
这是录视频还是拍照？
拍照。There are also so many interesting things that you might just see when you're here. So here are some of the interesting and fun things that I saw while I was here.
国际，让我掏了什么呢？
国际，坐。
打电话呢。